Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can learn touch typing for free directly in your browser. You don't need required any third-party application. Now, in order to do, just simply open any of the browser in your Windows or any other platform. And now, in the search bar, all you need is just simply search for Typing Club. Once you search for typingclub.com, just simply hit enter, and here it says get started. Just simply hit get started, and once you do that, let's wait for it to get open, and it will provide you with a complete course of touch typing with with each and
So,
easy simple
I hear
just
you
wait
want
for
to
a
type
second,
like a pro.
with each simple process. All right, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.